So everything's plugged in. It's plugged in the power supply at the wall. We're just about to flick the switch for the PC. And as you can see, it looks like it's going to boot up. The lights light up on the front of the box, and it even sends a signal through to the monitor, Fujitsu, but then it just turns itself off. Now that is all without pushing the button on the front of the computer. So now if you do what you would normally do with a PC after switching it on at the wall, pushing the button in on the front, here we go, same thing happens, except this time it boots up okay, as it should. Great, apart from the fact that it does this false start when you flick the switch on at the wall, which is unusual to this PC. Something else is if it was just a BIOS setting, it would do it all the time, but it doesn't do it all the time. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it'll work just as a normal PC will work. So therefore it's not a problem with the BIOS, it's some other fault. I'll take you around the back and you can see all the connections are connected up just so. The model number, serial numbers. And it's been like this since brand new, as I told you on my first email to you.